All right, today we're going to learn how to make your video for the Create PT if you're using a school Chromebook. So if you're using a school Chromebook, you can't use any of the outside apps like Screencastify, but there is a built-in screen recorder. So what you're going to do first is go to the page where you built your program. I went to the page for an old program from a previous unit just so you can see what it looks like, but you'll want your program up on the page. And then when you're ready to go, you're going to press the keys Control, Shift, and then right above the 6 key, there's a little box with 2 lines. Press that one. And your screen will change like this, where it says drag to select an area to capture. First, if you look, you can see this is a little camera. This is a little video camera. So click the little video camera so that it switches to screen recording. Then you see the little plus sign where your mouse is. Make sure you select an area that has the whole piece that you want to record in it. So make sure it has that phone screen where you can see what's happening with the app running. Then once you've selected that area, you'll see record in the middle. You click that. It'll count down. Once it counts down, press the run button and go through all of the features that you're required to have on your app that you're required to show in the video. Once you've finished going through all of the things you're required to show in the video, look down on the bottom right of your screen. There's this little red stop sign down here. So you click on that for stop screen recording. Then you can click here to show it you're recording in the folder. You can click on it to watch it. You should make sure that there isn't any audio when you check it over, because there shouldn't be any audio in your video. I mean, you're allowed to have audio from your program, but you're not allowed to have audio of you speaking. So make sure there isn't any audio. You can rename it if you need to by clicking with 2 fingers and then saying rename. We can also drag it into your Google Drive to save it. And then later we will upload it into the digital portfolio. This is frozen. That's not very useful. Well, in 5 minutes it'll run out of time and then I can edit.